Goodsomnia Sleep Tracking App Review, Usage Experience. Links to the product are in the description below. In today's review, we'll be taking an in-depth look at the Goodsomnia Sleep Tracking App, a comprehensive tool designed to help you understand and improve your sleep quality. If you're tired of feeling groggy in the mornings or struggling to get a good night's rest, this app may be exactly what you need. Goodsomnia uses advanced algorithms and personalized insights to track your sleep cycles, heart rate, and even your environmental factors like noise and temperature. What makes this app stand out is its ability to provide you with a sleep score based on a variety of metrics, including the duration and quality of your deep and REM sleep. The sleep tracking feature is paired with actionable insights, offering recommendations to improve your sleep hygiene, such as adjusting bedtime routines, reducing blue light exposure, and creating the perfect sleep environment. A key feature that sets Goodsomnia apart is its sleep coaching, which provides users with tailored advice based on their unique sleep patterns. It also includes relaxation techniques, such as guided breathing exercises and soothing soundscapes, which can be used before bed to help you unwind and ease into restful sleep. The app also includes an alarm system that wakes you up gently during your lightest sleep phase, helping you feel more refreshed and alert in the morning. Who is Goodsomnia for? It's perfect for anyone struggling with sleep disorders, such as insomnia, or those looking to improve their sleep routine. If you're interested in gaining more control over your sleep and want a deeper understanding of your body's sleep patterns, this app is definitely worth checking out. To wrap it up, Goodsomnia offers a powerful combination of sleep tracking, coaching, and personalized insights that make it a great choice for anyone seeking better, more restful sleep. If you're looking to wake up feeling more energized and rested, Goodsomnia is a smart tool to add to your sleep improvement arsenal.